Around 21 people in US have died because of the winter storm that has hit the country, where the temperatures have dropped to minus 45 degrees Celsius, which is very cold, extreme cold condition. About 60% of the US population have been warned under the weather warning has been given to them, where the cold, extreme, intense, brutal cold to be expected to be continued in the weekend of this Christmas. Good evening, everyone. Today the lecturette I have chosen is about the bomb cyclone. So what is this bomb cyclone? Bomb cyclone, this is a term that is being used by the meteorologists indicating the mid-latitude cyclone that intensifies rapidly. So this mid-latitude lies in the zone of 23 degrees north to 23 degrees south. So this winter storm is a massive storm that hammers the coast, and it brings with it the flooding, the snow, ice, and extreme harsh cold weather with it. So this is a combination of rapidly declining pressure and extreme extensive cold. So this particular storm, this is most explosive and observed in the east coast. So now talking about the formation of this bomb cyclone. A bomb cyclone happens when the atmospheric pressure in the middle of this storm drops at least 24 millibars over 24 hours, and this quickly increases the intensity. The lower the pressure becomes, the higher the storm becomes. Now, how this is different from a conventional storm? This particular storm, this occurrence is also known as the explosive cyclogenesis. This essentially amounts to a rapidly developing storm system, and this is different from a tropical hurricane because this is occurred at the mid-latitude region, where the warm and cold current meet and collide with each other. Like a conventional storm, bomb cyclone is also a product of the low pressure system, where the atmospheric pressure is lower at the sea level than in the surrounding area. So hurricanes, they form from the late spring to the early fall, but these bomb cyclone, they form from the late fall to the early spring. Hurricanes, these are formed in the tropical waters, but these bomb cyclone is actually formed in the northwestern Atlantic, northwestern Pacific, and also sometimes in the Mediterranean Sea. Are they dangerous? Actually, these bomb cyclones are similar to they behave like the conventional storms, but sometimes they becomes much more intensive, that they brings the heavy flooding and also the heavy winds, blizzard conditions, and the winds will be in the speed that is comparable to the category 1 hurricanes, and sometimes they occur in such a sudden and surprising way that causes a harsh and brutal cold weather conditions, where the flooding with the snow and ice will be seen in the regions of the affected areas. Thank you.